Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce our group. We are from group 4. My name is Anissa Triyunata Wiranto, and there's my friend Kamala Citra Fortuna and Taskia Aula Zahra. So today we're gonna discuss about teaching speaking using the information gap technique. So in this chapter 1 is the reason why researchers conduct the research. Number 1, the teacher still implemented conventional method for the teaching English. Number 2, the students were less interested in speaking English. And for number 3, the student did not find the language they are learning is purposeful and meaningful on their daily life. And number 4, most of the students feel anxious trying to use their English. In gap technique, we have 3 research. Number 1 is research focus. Research focus is teaching speaking in the classes and using information gap technique. And for number 2 is research question. Research question in gap technique we have 3 research. Number 1 is research focus. Teaching speaking of English classes and using a gap technique in the English class. And number 2 is research question. Is the use of the information gap technique method more effective than a conventional method? And the last is research objective. This study aims to determine whether there is a significant differences in achievement between students who are taught with the gap technique method and the using conventional method. And for the next is chapter 2. Speaking is active process of negotiating meaning and of using social knowledge of the situation. The topic is the other speaker by Burns and Joyce 1997 and 50. Futter Noonan 1999 and 15 has defined speaking as the interactive process of the construction meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information and received orally. And the information gap technique. Gap technique is an information gap activity. One person has certain information that must be shared with others in order of solve a problem, gather information, or make a decision by New and Research 1997. And for the next material will be continued by Kamala Citra Fortuna.